Hi, my name is David, and I want to show you a project I just built today. So one of my students actually inspired me to build this project. So I'm going to share my screen wider. So it's much like the project is on Scratch, right? So it's much like a login a database project where you get to log in. You can create an account and then log in and prepare for a test. All right. So I'm just going to show you the features of the 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 project. All right. So the project, if I click on the X, it automatically deletes every names that we have on the database. We delete every names on the database, and then for um now I would have to put this out here so you guys get to see it. All right. Now, after I could actually take it away, I just wanted to see the functionality. You can automatically create and add names, pilot names, and then recall it back. So once I click the green button, sorry, I have to bring her here just so we can actually see that. That's the reason. All right. So she says sign in or create an account. All right, create an account. I need to correct that. Create account. So if I say signing, that is one, type one, or I use signing, all right, it will actually give me the same result. So one, if I click one, it says signing with your ID number. Now notice that there is no name, there's no IDs, there's no name, last name, first name. So what I would do is I just put a random num thing, it says user not found. All right, user not found. And it pops up and tell me create account to retrieve your ID numbers, three, try again, and for exit. Now I'm going to do all of it. So I'm going to click one, create an account. What is your first name? My first name is David. And then what's your last name? My last name is Insa. And then it automatically creates first, add of first name, last name, names, and then ID number. So this is my ID number. So it tells me my ID number. So my ID number is DN296 forward slash 26. So it says signing with your ID number. So now I can actually sign in with my ID number. The good thing is that it is not text sensitive. So it's telling me user not found. And then it's ask create an account and create an account or retrieve ID number. Three, try again. Number four. So I want to try again. So I'm going to type three, then sign in, and then DN all in capital letter. Then 396 forward slash 26. It says, welcome, David, to IQ Test Project. Let's get started. Now, I haven't actually put up the whole questions and all those things. So I'm going to try. I'm going to do it again. So this time around, um, I want it to also join me to test all the functionalities of the project. So that is create account, right? So let's just say I I I try to sign in with one. I want to try to sign in with one. It tells me sign into your this thing, and then possibly I forgot my ID number. Now what I can do would be to retrieve, so to retrieve two, and then ask me what is my first name. I said David, and then it asks what's the last name. I say Nisa, and then it finds and then tells me this is my ID number, and then gives me you will be redirected shortly to. All right, so it says sign in with your ID. Now I can actually sign in with my ID. So if I try to sign in with my ID and then it says user not found, it can ask me, let's just say I didn't have an account. You guys actually saw the way I had to create an account, and I don't actually want to continue. I would just click four to exit. It says thank you for checking our program out. See you. Goodbye. All right. So I wanted you to see this. Now I'm going to hide all these things. So the whole idea is to help you understand that, you see, Scratch is the fundamental. It's like the foundation, all right? Foundation for every child to attain a certain height in programming. If you can understand how it works, you lay a good foundation into programming. All right. So I just thought I should actually share this project with you guys, with everybody. Okay. So the question is, what if you add another? Let's try it. What if I get to add? Now I'm going to take this out. So we get to see the whole demonstration. So I'm going to go into variables, and then I'll hide everything. And now this is my whole the whole thing, my whole blog. All right. So each of the session controls certain things. Each of the session controls certain things in the Scratch project. All right. So I'm gonna do this again. Open it, and then so it's meant to start there, and then I'm gonna play. All right. Hello, my name is Ivory. I'll be your tour guide throughout your test process. All right. Sign in. So I want to create an account. I want to create an account. You need an account to proceed. So I want to create an account with one. I don't want to exceed. I want to create an account with Vera Eduma. Your profile is created successfully. So it says my VE264. I don't want to lose it. So I'm gonna say VE264 /26 and then enter. Welcome Vera to IQ test project. Let's get started. Alright, so that is it. Now if I bring up the whole list again for us to see, you see now I'm working on a scoreboard for each of the tests. Any person that actually get the test correct it will be much like a ranking board. All right. So thank you for your time. I just thought I should share with you. All right. Goodbye.